other mods, okay, which would be like which we may be interested into. Okay, so let us open it. So we are interested in now this kind of stuff. So you may see here like it says if you add some displacement with the register, then you may get this kind of same thing would be there EX, EBX and so on. Only thing there would be some displacement added. So let us have that displacement, okay, in our code. So let me close this. Let me open. So if you want for practice purposes some assembly programs, I can make those available on our systems 2 course. Okay, let me know that appropriately. We'll make that arrangements so that you can take those programs, compile them, generate LSTs, and try to verify whether are you getting the codes right, quite rightly by having manual assembly process. So this was the code rather, okay, which was given. So I will take same code. Okay, so CP 1207 2021 02 dot ASM 1307 2021 dot ASM. So when you like we are interested in now this code, like where exactly what we are going to do is we are going to see how can we add that mod which is not listed there, correct? So in our code, like we saw 0, 0, we saw 1, 1. So our target is to get now something else. So let me write here, say 12. Okay, plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 and so on. So I'm adding this additional thing for every instruction that we have here. And let us see what it does. Fine. So what we did was we added something. So what we want, what are the address, what are the EBX is representing, we are adding plus 12 into it. Let us see what happens. So like the way that it is showing. So if I assemble this code, if I assemble this code, say NASM -f ELF 32, then we have 13072021.lp.lst. So if I now open this, now see here what you got. So you got 23, 43 and 0C. Correct. Now let us concentrate on this. So if you see what is common in between all these instructions, these 16 instructions, what is common?
C at the end.
0C. It is for 12. Correct? Because we are considering this two numbers. Nah? So like if I see this and or even let me take this move, for example. If I compare this A to B, so this A to B is same. So this means this is opcode for each instruction that is added. Definitely it means what now? What is common between this first and this instruction? So apart from 0C, it is 43. Correct? How this 43 got formed? Well, let us try to check it. So let us copy this and we will take this one at least. And let us go to let us paste it. Fine. Okay, now let us delete this part. because we are not interested in this thing. So we can see that 0C was added there. So we are not interested in 0C, but we are interested in this number before it. Fine. So that number is like third and fourth digit in the translation. And so what is this? So let us take this 43 first. So if I write 43 for a while, sorry, how 43 would be written? Let us write 0 1 0 0. This is 4, correct? Then 0 0 1 1. Am I right? Am I right? In this case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I take next number to be 4B. Sorry. How 4B would be? So 0 1 0 0 and B. B is what? 11. Correct? 1 0 1 1. Correct? Very good. So next is 53. How it would be? 0 1 0 1. Then 3. So 0 0 1 1. Correct? 53. Next is 5B. Can somebody tell me what it would be?
0 1 0 1.
0 1 0 1. Very good.
1 0 1.
Very good. 1 0 1 1. Correct? Next 63. 0 1 1 0 and
0 0 1.
0 0 1 1. Correct? Correct? Because we want 6 3. So next is 6B. You can see that now, like we are getting only that first number changed. See, 4 because of the registers that we had. Because we kept EBX common there, correct? 6B. So what it would be? 0 1 1 0. Then 1 0 1 1. This is 7 3. So 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. And last one is 7B. How it would be? 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Correct? Now we have this. So now we have to group this according to mod RM byte. So what mod RM byte suggests? So mod RM byte would be like this: 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So if you see 0 1 1 is common for all of them, correct? Because we have taken EBX there for each and every instruction. Can you see that? 1 sorry.
Yes, sir.
0 1 1. So 0 1. So 0 1 0 0 1 1. 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 because both of them EBX is there, correct? So 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 equal to 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 equal to 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1, correct? And lastly 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Now see here, can we say that we got mod now 0 1? Can you see that, everyone, please? See how we got that? How we got this? It is here. Like if you see the numbers 43, 4B, 53, 5B. So it is one column for EBX. So let us see where exactly it is. 43, 4B, 53, 5B, 63, 6B, 73, 7B. So we got this complete row for square bracket EBX. So whenever we have a displacement added as 8 bits. Okay. So what would be the maximum number for 8 bit? A byte. What would be the maximum number for a byte? if all of them are 1 in 1 byte?
2 by
Huh? 255 55 आएगा कि 56 आएगा?
55.
0 to 255, correct? The number which can be represented in a byte would be 0 to 255. So if it is like that, so whatever register that you have, if you add that number, then only this 01 would be coming into picture. Correct, for mod. So if whenever you have this kind of instruction, now you change either of this instruction, you can take any of them. So if I write here code as, say for example, suppose I say 64, correct? If we have say 64, okay, tell me what would be the combination of registers for 64? So if I write 64, 0 1 1 1, no sorry, 1 0, then 4 0 1 0 0. So if I group it like this, so 64 would be what? What is 100?
ESP.
ESP. So if I see here 64, but we don't write ESP directly, correct? You can see here one of them would be ESP, but other one would be what? Displacement. So how it would be? Let me show you through the code. Any issue with up till this now?
No, sir.
Okay, so let us write here. Now instead of like this, I am taking this statement, Control Y, and I am here writing. Okay, how my data is written? Small case. My data plus 12. Nice some p.lst. Okay, now what we got here? But actually we got 25. How come? How come we got 25? And it is again 2 5. So where it is fitting exactly? It is fitting exactly here. So if I change the order, because see, where is the register that we are having the CBX? The CBX is coming from that line, correct? So if I see this 25, where is 25 in this case? 25 is fitting somewhere here. Okay, with respect to that my data. Then how exactly this would be picked? Can somebody help me? For this case, to get this line for 44, 4C, 54 and so on. Actually, what I wanted was this. So 64 कहाँ पर है? ये वाला. Right, so I wanted this similar thing like this. How can I get it? So if I change order of it, say for, can you see that we got 25? Correct? So it is taking 0 1 0 0 as mod, but we wanted that mod to be 0 1. So now let me try. Let me try because that's what we are doing. So let me do this way. Move my data plus 12, comma ESP. Now let me reverse it. Okay, let us try what it does. Now in both the cases, it is showing me 25. But actually what is changed is my opcode. Then how exactly can I get this part? Whatever it is representing here. Because if I try to do that way, the way that we earlier saw, that what it is telling you here, this means what? Nomenclature. Correct. So we are not able to get exactly the thing over here, whatever we wanted for 64. We are not getting that at all. Then what it would be? So let me make the change. Okay, in the code. Again. here. So let me write this. Okay, let us see whether what we get. Okay, I added what? A register there. Now what we got here? Is it changed? So it is showing us A0. Again, it could be like for our mod 10. So where is A0? So we are getting somewhere. We are getting it somewhere here because this EX is added with displacement. Because my data is treated as what? You can see the instruction. My data is treated as the displacement with this register value. Now this task still remains, like if at all I want this particular stub generated, because I can see that I can get all remaining numbers except this line, this row starting with 44, 4C, 54, 5C, 64, 6C, 74, 7C. It would be difficult for me to get it. So what if I try doing this? Instead of EX, suppose if I write AL. Okay, and let me make it as 100. So what it said? Invalid effective address. Why? Because whatever the address that I'm trying to specify over here to compute over here, I cannot write AL directly. Then what should I do here to achieve that? If at all it would be 8-bit thing. How can I get that row? Okay, so this is task for you peoples. Can you help me out to get this particular row? I showed you I gave you some of the hints over there with respect to the PDF that is available here, where we wanted this number starting from 44 to 7C. Correct. I want you to write some code which would be giving me this part, this 44, 4C, 54, 5C, and so on. Okay, try doing it. Like if you can, but ultimately we here could see that we could generate A0. Correct, where like in the file where we added that register here directly. Correct. If I add this way, then my mod RM suddenly changes. So I also know now how to get 10. We could get 01. Now this would be giving us 102. Like if I see A0, if I pick this A0, where is A0 in this case? This is with mod. That means EX is involved there with the register, with the immediate with the variable that was declared there with which is a 32-bit address. Displacement 32. It is a 32-bit value. Because when I consider this my data variable, this will have an address as this. So how many bytes are 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 32-bit value. Because if I take 10 as 4 bits, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 8 times, this is 32. That's why this my data is treated as 32-bit value along with EX. So you change that order, whether you are writing my data plus EX or EX plus my data, it will not matter anymore. So we have seen that way, like if I want at all these kind of things, except this 84 to BC again. Correct, 84 to this BC again. Except that I can get either of them now. So I need to change what? I need to change only the registers. Okay, I need to change only the registers which are used with my parameters. Like for example, if I use either suppose ECX and if I write EX plus 32 over here, so I should get that number to be 88 and so on. So let us try that even. So if I write here, say ECX. Correct. So, and if I try translating this, let us see what we get. So we can see that we are getting 88 here, and that's what our target was to see. So we got this 88, correct, appropriately. Now think of this. How many possible combinations are added there? 8, 8, 8, 8. So they are 32 with this 32. So this is a big matrix which is representing the operands of specific types. Now what if, recall I talked about a matrix, okay, with respect to the address. Okay, how it was? It was like base plus index multiplied by size. That's how you go to the particular value of an array or a vector. So if your starting address is 100 and you are talking about index to be fifth and size of that integer is size of that particular variable is 1 byte, then sorry, 1 byte, then address would be 105. Correct. The fifth element could be seen from that particular address. So if at all we have this thing, now how this size would, like if at all I include such kind of stuff in my code, what will happen? Okay, let us try doing this. So let us add that part in the code. Any questions till this time? So I'm changing this ECX multiplied by 2. EDX multiplied by 4. Sorry. ESEAX. I am taking purposefully different registers. And we will see like what happens if we get error at all. EBX multiplied by 1. Okay, so one thing would be like this. Fine, so I am let us concentrate on these 4 only. Okay, these 4. So what I did, base, suppose this is index, this register represent index and this is size 1248. Correct, 1 byte, 2 byte kind of thing. Correct. So let us go. This is scaling. Can you see scaling? Scaling EBX to 1, scaling ECX to 2, scaling EDX value to 4, and so on. So like it would increase in a multiplier of that factor, multiply factor 1248. Okay, let us see now. We would be getting one more bit now, one more byte now added with our code. Now see here. If I concentrate on this 2304. Now let us concentrate what this 04 means for us. Okay, so let me pick these 4 instructions. Let me add it here. Okay, so let us try concentrating on this 23. So 23, 33, 3B, 0B would be code of them. You can see here 23, 33, 3B, 0B. So they are opcodes, correct? Now if you see here we got 43. Now we are getting 4. It was EBX plus 12. Now we are having something different. So let us concentrate on that 04. How that 04 would be written? 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, and sorry. 04 na 0 0 0 0 and then 0 1 0 0, correct? This is our mod. Second bit is mod, correct? On what basis we are saying this? We saw this instruction format. So if I go up after my opcode, always I would be saying mod rm, correct? So if mod rm is there, then only this bit will occur. Now see, it is also in the same form, like mod number of bytes would be that way only. Scale, index, and base. Fine. Now let us try to see like the translation. So I'm not talking about yet the scale index byte. Huh? We are talking about that mod only. Will require some space. That's why I'm creating some amount of space for us to write for. Okay, so we got this mod. Now if I differentiate this, now what is 0, 0, 0? What is 0, 0, 0?
EX.
EX. And what is 1, 0, 0?
ESP.
ECX.
Sorry. Remember, like 1, 0, 0 means what?
ESP.
4.
ESP.
So is it included there?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Now this is new learning for us. So next number. What is that next number? 0 C. Correct? So what is 0 C? If we write 0, 0, 0, 0 and C means 12, na? Correct?
1100.
Correct. So this, so if I differentiate this way, now see CMP EDX. So this is 1, 4. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Correct? So if I write this way, now you have to tell me what you what you are seeing as a common thing. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So see, if you talk about this EX, this is EX, correct? If you talk about ECX, this is ECX. If you talk about say next register as EDX, this is EDX, correct? Another register is EBX, this also seen. Now, whenever you see something over here, which is with respect to say some factor, which is not same as what you saw earlier, this is address calculation, correct? This is address calculation, but in this case, with this address calculation, it is doing something else. So let me write that 4B here, correct? Sorry. How will you write 4B? 0, 1, 0, 0 and B is what? Correct?
101.
1011 ही आएगा ना? नहीं, गलत हुआ? बराबर है ना? 8 plus 2 10. Yeah. So I think this is 11 ना? 8 and 2 आने का 8 plus 2 plus 1. Correct? Next is what? 93. How you write 93? 1 0.
1001.
1. Okay. 0 0 1. Correct? Okay. Let us move further. What is that? C3. How you write C?
1100.
1 1 0 0 and 3 0 0 1. Correct. Next is 1B. 0 0 0 1. Correct. And then B 1 0 1 1. Now let me differentiate this again. Now this is not with respect to mod, but number of bits would be divided that way only. So if you really see here, what are values for EBX? What is value for EBX? EBX का representation क्या होता है?
011.
0 1 1. Which is common there? Can you see that where it is common? In this number, this last 3 bits are common, correct? Can you see that? Can you see this? Okay. Now let us see what is ECX 001. What is EDX 010. What is EAX 000. What is EBX 011. See this thing, whatever you got here. And see the multiplying factor 1. Whenever it is 1, it is 00. Whenever it is 2, it is 01. Whenever it is 4, it is 1 0, and whenever it is 8, it became 1. So this is written like this. So I will write this. This is scale. Okay, index register and base register. Scale, index, base. Base register is what with this formula? Base is EBX. Can you see this? With this formula, base plus index multiplied by size. Are you with me? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is base for each of these 4 instructions? Base is EBX. Correct. That's why with this SIB, scale index byte, scale index base byte. So this, sorry, I wanted to show this PDF. SIB 1 byte if required, scale index base. So whatever your base register is, when it is written inside a square bracket, this 1 before plus, like which is not having any multiplicative factor, would be treated as base. So you write it either other way around. Like if you may write ECX multiplied 2 plus EBX, even if it would be base would be EBX only. Correct. So base register number would be written here. Index register जो भी होगा यहाँ पर, so that would be written here. Okay, and depending upon your multiplication factor 1 to 48, these would be the things. Let us see that SIB. RM pin. Scale index, sorry, here, it is here. Base plus index and scale plus index form. So scale field specifies scale factor. Scale factor goes from 1 to 48. We can see specifically here. Can you see 1 to 48? Scale factor दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. Purposefully I took it differently, 1 to 48. That's what, like if you see 1 is 0 0, 2 is 0 1, 4 is 1 0, and 8 is 1 1. There is nothing called 3. There is nothing called 5. There is nothing called 7. Scale factor would be only in this pattern 1 2 4 8. Only these numbers would be there in scaling. Is that okay? So yes. The way that we had mod scale is what? Scale will have 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, which is meant for 1 2 4 8. Correct? It would be meant for this 1 2 4 and 8. This is for scale whenever you are having either of these scale values. Okay. Whenever you have a base register included, that base register number would be associated with base column. Like last 3 bits in a byte would be representing the base register, whatever the base register that you are using. Suppose now if my instruction is like something like this, say for example, ESI, comma, EDI plus EX multiplied by 4. Now can you give me number associated with this? How will you write? First let me see what would be byte position, what would be this mod? What would be mod? So if I say mod would be 0 0, correct? So first elements would be first element, this is ESI. ESI कितना होता है? 110, correct?
110.
Correct. And then last one would be 100. है ना? ये कॉमन रखा है ना हमने यहाँ पे देखो 100 कॉमन है, correct? Okay. Now this EDI is to be written. So 4 means what? 10, correct? अभी इंडेक्स रजिस्टर कौन सा है? वहां पे देखो फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से, which is index register in this case? EX 000, correct? What is base register? EDI. What it means? It is 111. So if I combine this together now, ठीक है ना? If I combine this now, what would be this number? What would be mod in this case? So this would be 3 plus 4. So mod would be 3 4, correct? Mod, I mean to say this mod RM byte would be 3 4. And next thing would be what? 8 plus, sorry, can I say 7? Am I right? Check this. ये 3-4 कैसे आया? This 3-4 is for this and this 87 is for this. Have you understood how we wrote this? Let me repeat one more time. So we picked this formula. So we had ESI. So mod would be 0, 0 because we could see here 0, 0 is added. So we added 0, 0. For ESI, we took 1, 1, 0. And as for each of these mods, we kept this 1, 0, 0 same. That's why we kept this 1, 0, 0 same. Now, if I group them in terms of 4 bits, I can see that this is 2 plus 1, 3, and this is 4, 1 means 4. So that's why 34. Similarly here, we took for because index, this scaling is 4. So this is scaling 4. So mod is 1, 0. So we took 1, 0. Now we wanted index register. Index register is EX. That's why we took 0, 0, 0. And there was EDI, which was a base register. So EDI representation is last number. So 1, 1, 1. So we shifted this now into group of 4 bits. So we got this number. Correct. Now let us try and write this thing and let us see whether are we getting 3487 in our code. Move ESI comma EDI EX. Move ESI comma EDI plus EX multiplied by 4. Correct. This is the instruction that we had. ESI EDI EX 4. Fine. Now let us see what we get from this. So we should, like, if we at all followed the correct procedure, then we should get that number. So let us see this. Now see here what we got. 3487. Correct. We got 3487. And if you see over here, I assume we got the same thing. 3487. Are you with me? How we computed this? Can somebody repeat?
Sir. Hello.
Yes, please go on.
Sir, I have one doubt that why in mod RM, why we take a 100 common?
Here, na? See, we don't know because this would be address. Correct? If you see, this looks to be an address which may contain some register, but we don't know because if you see mod, this particular mod RM thing. So we are talking about something like this. So what we got number there? If you see what number we got there, 34, correct? And register is ESI. So if you see here 34, register is ESI and the column, the row which was added was this. Correct? Yaad hai ye? So if you at all try with either of these register, you should get this 040C, 141C, 242C, 343C only. Yesterday we saw that, na? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it could be anything. We don't know. This would be included in square bracket, which is not a single register like this, like this. इनके जैसा कोई नहीं है. EX, ECX, EDX ऐसा नहीं है. It is something different, right? Which we don't know. And if you see, there are two square brackets. Like ultimately, you are trying to say what? It is kind of a matrix element. Two-dimensional matrix होता है ना? So how you calculate two-dimensional matrix like this only, na? How many bytes you are going to move further? That's why this 100 was kept common. With every such case where you have a register included, comma, there is something, some value which are going to pick from some memory address. We don't know what exactly it is, but if it is a register only, single register only, then in such a case, this row would be picked. So if it is EX, then this row of EX would be picked appropriately. If it is ECX, if it is EDX, EBX, ESI DI. These particular rows for those registers would be picked. But when it is something else than these registers, there is something more than a single register value. Then in such a case, it would be taking this as a common factor. ठीक है? Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Any other question? It is good to ask questions, so you can ask. Have you understood this scaling? SIB byte? Scale, index, base. Okay, so when I say size, we can say here scale. Is that fine? So these would be your scaling factors. Okay, so if I give you now some code, at least we covered almost of the part, which probably can be part of your code. This SIB, if you go below, there is a table for this SIB. You can see here. Whenever you have this kind of multiplicative factor, correct, like this. See, you can see this is multiply by 1, correct? If you only write this, there is nothing called ESP. You can see here none added. EBP can be used. Multiply by 8, multiply by 4, multiply by 2, multiply by 1. So 1 you don't write, correct? So if you see 1 वाला जो था, कौन सा क्या आया था उसका नंबर 1B. So you can see 1B here somewhere. ये देखो कि वहां पर रजिस्टर कौन सा था, EBX था ना, EBX मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. ये जो यहाँ से सीधा उठाना है, ये अगर आपको दिख गया मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर क्या है, along with the register, you go to this table, find the values, don't keep computing, provided if you can represent this table, whatever the table that you are seeing now, if you can represent this table in a proper data structure, then you are done. यहाँ से सिर्फ पिक करने वैल्यूज, ये जो हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, whatever the things that we are calculating here, it is not going to compute this manually. What it is doing, the proper assembler is picking from this kind of table, which is mapped as a data structure internally. This whole table is mapped in terms of a data structure actually. ठीक है? ये पेज नंबर लिख लो, कौन सा है? Page number 41 in this document, like as per the page, correct? You can see this SIB table. So which tables would be important for us? This SIB and sorry. Let me go here. So this is 32-bit thing and this is 32-bit thing. This is SIB and the above is mod IM. So page number 40, okay, and page number 41. These two things are important. Any question? पूछ सकते हो. Okay, let me first add this file for you peoples, or both the files I will add so that you can try on your machines too. Upload txt and ASL. Okay. Okay, so you have to try these ones. Now we would be moving towards some complex part. Okay, probably definitely from tomorrow's session. But till that time, you start thinking. Suppose if I ask you to map this table in terms of a data structure, you have to pick the values from that data structure. You would be knowing, like if I reach to this particular, like if I follow this matrix, is it looking like a matrix? What is size of this matrix? See, you have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 32 rows and how many columns? 8 columns. This is SIB for you. And you are going to pick from respective column entry. One thing is either you map this whole table as a matrix, or you do the computation the way that we carried out, like the way that I showed you here. You do that computation through your code and then decide what is the SIB, what is the mod RM, and so on. Okay. So I want to show you one another thing. So you might have seen like I added there multiply by 1. So if I don't write this and if I write only this part, which I earlier did here with OR, correct? ये OR के साथ, sorry, ये अभी मैंने किया शायद. Yeah, no, I haven't added that. So I'm removing that multiply by 1 factor, correct? So let us see what happens. It would be kept as same. ठीक है, उसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 करो या ना करो. सो 1 भी था हमारा वहां पर, ये देखो 1 भी था ना हमारा वहां पर, करेक्ट. सो whether you are multiplying by 1 or not, it doesn't care that way. Okay, now let me make another possible change again, so that वो ESP वाला जो कॉलम है वो कैसा आएगा उसको भी दिखाते हैं. Okay, you note down this change, what are the change that I am making over here. So if it is say ये ऐसे है. Okay, so I will pick this instruction. I will add it here and I will say multiply by 4. अगर ऐसे आ गया, अभी आपके पास जो बेस है, it is not a register. Correct, but you have scale and you have index. Index as a register, scale as a number, but you don't have base to be the register. So यहाँ पर अगर ये टेबल देखते हो आप, okay, for SIB, देखो EBP वहां पे दिया हुआ है, correct? So if you use EBP, it is permitted that way. But if you see here, ESP can be used. EBP we may not ultimately with respect to the column. So let us see. Like if we have code written like this. Sorry, किधर गया code? Yeah, this one. My data plus EAX multiplied by 4. तो उसका क्या आता है? चलो try करते हैं. Nice, less. See what you got? 8.5. Correct. ये my data के लिए वो 0.0 आया. Correct. 8.5. So if I see in this table, where is 8.5? क्योंकि we said multiply by 4 ना. So in the code, if you see, we said multiply by 4. So EX multiply by 4 वाला ही रो होना चाहिए. So let us see in the PDF. EX multiply by 4 वाला रो है क्या? देखो ये EX multiply by 4 और यहाँ पर 85. So if you are using any variable as an a base, then you will get this 85 always. If it is EX. If you use ECX, then you should get 8D. Right? और वहां पर अगर और कोई नंबर है, so let me make some small change in the code too. Okay, so let me pick this one. If it is EDX, what would be the representation? EDX का क्या आएगा? EDX multiplied by 4 के हिसाब से तो आना चाहिए ये EDX multiplied by 4 है ना, तो ये आना चाहिए 95. Correct? Fine, it should be 95. We'll work with this and I will add one more thing over there in my code to make it useful. So I'm adding I raised D1 and here I'm saying I. When both of them, I don't care now what exactly they are. So let us see. Let us try to assemble the code. Now what it is saying? Impossible segment base multiplier. Why? Because I am trying to make use of base and index. Sorry, base and scale. No, index. Right? Seems to be something different in according to my code. So I may not be permitted to make use of this way. But if I use instead of this my data, say EAX, then what? See, for this multiplication factor, we have taken multiply by 4. So ultimately it would be picking from this multiply by 4 wala thing. Correct. But now we don't have that this. So it should pick some value from here. this row. Okay, let us see whether are we getting that one only. So EX वाला column का उठाना चाहिए. So still what it is saying? Impossible segment based multiplier. Because the reason being here, reason being here, like if I see, I'm trying to make use of this number over here. So let me, if I declare this, section dot data IDD 10. Suppose I take this way. Now what happens is this EX might contain some address. So if I write, say for example like this, move EX comma I, and if I write EX here, so it will accept this, correct? But if I write similarly, instead of, because I am doing the same thing, whether I am using I over here or EX over here, we don't mind. This should be accepted, correct? But let us see how it reacts. Line number 17, the one that we added there. Here, line number 17. It is not permitting us to make use of this register directly. Sorry, this what are the index that we are using? Then in such a case, what should we do? How can we achieve exactly that goal? Because we cannot make use of what was the row there? We cannot make use of ESP directly there. If I use EBP, then it should not be a problem. So now another thing, like as earlier I said with respect to this mod, when I said I am not able to get this 84, correct? So similarly, I want you to like really try for this. Suppose if I remove this line and if I try to translate this code now, it will work. Why? Because we removed. Where is the rest? Yeah. So you got 85, correct, in this case. So for mod RM, not mod RM, we wanted 85 here. So 85 is somewhere here. We got this 85. And we know that if I change this register multiplicative factor in this instruction, instead of EX, if I take something else, then I can definitely get that whole thing with respect to the register. Right. So if I change this register to EBX, say for a while, so I should be able to get this 8D. Sorry, ECX. If I get ECX, then 8D, EDX, then 95, EBX, then this. Then when can I get this row? Complete row A0, A1. Similarly, with respect, like if you get this one, then you ultimately can get this one also 6061. Similarly, you can get 2021. Similarly, you can get this E0, E1 as well. Okay, so these are some mundane tasks that you please try to find out how to get these particular rows. I gave you some inputs. You have to work around those inputs. Fine. Any question, query? Now you can see the C8 was shown here, na? Sorry, this is this one. So 0C is same for both the cases because we had move ECX. What is changing is 85 and 80 because we have EX here. So EX होगा तो ये 80 यहाँ पे आया. This is EX, this is EX. And when we add EX multiplied by 4 with some variable, then we got this 85. Correct? In the code. Got it?
सर जर ESP घेतलं तर येईल का?
कुठे?
Move
Multiplication
ESP
ला. Multiplication ला.
बाहेर मूवच्या नंतर.
See, where? मूवच्या नंतर ना. So see, we should not have any issue with this case. Like first operand would not be any issue. Let us try doing this. Okay, so let us see what it says. You want me to write ESP here, na?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Okay. So this should work. Why? Because it would be concentrating on mod part, na? This would be 24. So if I see 24 in my mod RM, where is 24? 24 is this ESP. And with this address. So if we can definitely get it. So you take any register with this calculation here, like which is not represented with the register that way directly, a single register that way directly, it will take it. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yeah. Any other question? I am hoping that you are understanding the things that I'm teaching you. Huh? I don't know, like sometimes it confuses me whether am I reaching towards you or not. Om, are you there? Om Patil.
Yes, sir.
I na?
Yes,
Okay.
I.
Are you getting the things that we saw today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you please inquire with your classmates too, because I'm not able to really find out who exactly they are. But you have dialogue with your classmates and you let me know appropriately.
Okay, sir.
Fine? Yeah.
Yes.
So any question? Again, I'm asking, by the way. Okay, so let me stop recording. I already